Hey Shenanigan, welcome back to today's video. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and as always, I'm your host Moose, joining you. Today we are trying to do work outside, and as always it decided that it needed to be windy. So today I actually want to start with this sweet chunk of land right here, and I have had plans to build a chicken coop for a very long time. You know, eggs, meat if they piss me off enough. You always feed them slop. That second one was a joke, obviously. Or was it? I want to build a chicken coop right here for, like I said, the eggs and everything. So today we're gonna get started on it. I have my friend Marcus coming over to help me. As always, you guys know him, the crazy one. But yeah, we're gonna start building on it right here. So we're gonna get you guys set up and you guys enjoy. Alrighty gang, we made it back. And as you can see, our help has showed up. So we're gonna start framing on this. What in the... Do you care to explain yourself? Look at that disaster. Playing in the mud. For fuck's sakes. Alright, so we first thing we want to do is build us some sawhorses to make all of our framing a lot easier. So we got some of the lumber out right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get you guys set up and we're gonna build us some sawhorses real quick before we start framing. Alrighty gang, we're back. So as you can see, we got all of them split and cut pretty good. I got my main post right there cut. So what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna cut all the other pieces that will go in between it. We'll cut all these to the size that we need, and then we're gonna start framing it. So alrighty gang, we're back. So as you can see, we got most of the pieces cut for just the coop part, not the run yet. So what I'm actually going to start doing is I'm going to get it all laid out and start nailing them together. So let's get started. Okay, so how wide do we want the door? And what side do I want it on? Let's see, can we stand her up?
4-0 door?
Not 4, I bet 3. I don't know, how wide am I?
Yeah, a 3 foot.
Fat.
A 3 foot. A 3 foot door is like a small door in a house.
Yeah, but that's 3 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fat.
Yeah.
We'll do 3 foot.
Weight Watchers, here we go.
You're gonna be seeing me starring next on my 500-pound life.
It's my 600-pound life, you loser.
500. Oh, you're back. Look, you've been gone for hours.
Come on, man, I'm getting fat.
I know. That was a fat joke. Again.
Gosh, on fire
Full
with the
body
fat joke.
pick.
Oh, here, let me help you.
Ah!
Oh! Right there.
Alrighty gang, we're back. We got the stuff for the run cut out. So the run's gonna be like 20 foot long. So it'll be a good size run. They'll still get to run the yard, but this will just make sure they have plenty of space.
Those you'll be see getting used in a future project.
Way to fucking give out spoilers. We have to put him down.
They're gonna have to come back to see the video.
Oh yeah, huh? No, we're doing it all in this video. We're building my entire channel in this video. Perfect. Hey gang, welcome back. It's the next day, and as you can see, me and Marcus, we got a little bit framed in here. We'll show you. We also gave the ducks a whole lot of water, and they've been having a heyday in it all day. So, as you can see, we got all the rafters up across in the actual coop part, which this will be. They will be attached at some point. We're working on it, so they're not attached right now. And then we got all the rafters up, going all the way across in there, and then we got all these boards up right here. Hopefully it's not too windy. It is still being very windy out. I don't know. Anyways, so we got these up because the wire is 3 feet, and so we're gonna have something to nail the chicken wire to, going all the way down once we get it up. So is what we're actually gonna do now is we are going to start sheeting the coop part. So I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we're gonna start sheeting. They don't do it maxed out. They fucking cut the software.
Can you imagine? You're just like, you fucking stupid.
Hey, Shenanigans gang, welcome back. So it's been about a week or so. Yeah, about a week. For the most part, all last week was shit weather. Raining, wind, you name it, it was here doing it. So I wasn't able to get a lot of filming done, but I was able to get a bunch of stuff done, thanks to Marcus. So as you can see, we got the sun. It's so bright. See if we can get an angle on it. There we go. So as you can see, we got the coop all sheeted. Got it all finished, framed up inside, all fancy. The door's ready to hang. We got, okay, come on. Look, come on. There we go. We got the run all finished, framed, and we got this door built. Now, I want you all to take a minute. Ow, fuck. God, who put these things this low? Bonked my head on everything. I just want to take a minute to appreciate this door. I mean, look at that. Probably the coolest door I've ever framed. And it is perfect in every way. Love this door. Anyways, that's kind of weird. Anyways, we also got a table saw, and we built a bunch of trim, and the idea is to do like the old barn style, like with the trim around the corners, the X on the door, all that. However, I'm not gonna do red and white. but do blue and black because I'm different. Anyways, so we went and got a table saw, and we went and ripped us a bunch of trim. This is, what was it, 1.5 inches wide by 3/4, I think. So I'm gonna start right now painting up all this trim. I'm gonna do the trim black, so here's my paint, got this already, and then I'm gonna go paint the coupe the blue. So I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we are going to start painting this trim. So cue the time lapse. Hey gang, we're back. So, little confession, I was definitely caught lacking. So yesterday was the last time I was videoing, and it turns out all my SD cards were full. However, I did not have any more, even though I thought I did. So Jeff Bezos to the rescue. I went and ordered more. We have more now. You didn't really miss out on much. I just basically did a little bit of painting. Okay, most of the painting. There's a little bit left to paint. So we're gonna get that done today, and then we'll give you guys a quick look around first before we start painting. What do you guys think about it? I think they approve. So, we got the majority of the house painted. I am going to put a window in and put latches and stuff on the door. There's also going to be trim going up. Most of the run's painted. However, there is like this little bit right in here, like all that still needs painting. So we're going to start doing that right now. And then we'll basically be ready for wire and chickens. Those aren't chickens. So we're gonna get you guys set up and start painting. Alrighty gang, we are back. So, she's all painted. For the most part, there's like a couple little boards I need to cut and a couple of pieces I need to touch up on, but it's done. And then, also, we got our doors hung. And here's a quick glimpse at the inside. Nothing too fancy. The extra plyboard for the nester boxes, that's gonna go right there. I did happen to go to an undisclosed location, and I went and got us some springs to make the doors spring loaded and some latches. And so I'm gonna hurry and throw these latches on real quick and get these springs on, and this coop's getting close to done, so you guys stay tuned. Alright, so for the latches we just got your basic fairly basic just your latch, nothing fancy. So we're gonna get that set up real quick here. So we are now like master latch installers. No, we're gonna put trim and stuff on, so as you notice the door kind of sticks out a little bit. It's okay. We're gonna put the trim over it, so this will stick out on top of the trim, so this door will be flush instead of sticking out all funny like that. Now, there's one interesting little, look at the size of that latch. It's a bit like throwing a fucking hot dog down a hallway, if you ask me. So let's get the handle put on. Now, I went and picked us up these. make us a little spring door action here. Alright, now that was painful. So, let's see how we're going to hook this bad boy up. Oh, what an embarrassment. Let's try that again. We need bigger springs. Hey, it's a cool idea. If it worked, fear not, they have bigger springs there. Okay, panic not, children. All hope was not lost. I did some work on the run door. So is what I just went and did is I just went and doubled up the springs on the top and the bottom, and it actually works really well. It closes, actually it kind of slams, honestly. So about the way we want it. So I think all we have left now is to get all the chicken wire on down there, and we got to put the trim on here and cut us the window, and then this thing's pretty much ready. So let's I'm gonna go take a break for a minute, and then we're gonna come start working on the wire. You guys stay tuned. Alrighty gang, we are back. So it's been a day or so, and we are finally ready to start putting the wire chicken coop. So I'm gonna get you guys set up. It's pretty boring, honestly. You just basically take this here wire and you some stuff like that, pew pew, nail it up. So I'm gonna get you guys set up and start stapling this. Alrighty gang, so I want to show you what we got going on so far. It's working out fairly well. I got this handy little, it's one of the DeWalt cheap electric staplers. Yeah, it does alright, like as far as, let's see if we can get it to focus. There you go. So it does alright as far as like getting them in. As you can see, it's fairly flush, it's holding it on there good. But like when it comes to these posts, as you can see, these posts are just a little bit too hard. So it just kind of rippled it all funny. So I'll have to get an air powered one for that. But so far it's going on there pretty tight. We got one section done, can't complain. So we're gonna keep going with the next section. Hold it, goddammit. What? Beautiful.
Oh yeah?
It's perfect. Out the pasture. Well, alrighty gang, we are back. So as you can see, oh, we're not, see, it's loud. The sun's very loud out. We got all the wire on. I got a little bit to do on the roof still, but we got the majority of it's done. There's just a little bit of touch-up bits, like I gotta cut that and touch it up, and then there's some sweet gap in here that I gotta fill in and touch up. But other than that, she's pretty much done. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's probably one of my favorite chicken coops. My only chicken coop. But yeah, not too upset about it. But yeah, that's I'm gonna do a little bit of touches up off camera. I want to get this video edited and out to you guys so it's not such a long wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun building this. Obviously in the next couple videos we'll find some chickens to put in here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys back here again. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.